Today at MULLIN Machinery we have a Bridgeport Series 1 2 horsepower variable speed milling machine. Super clean unit. The head says on it Bridgeport by Hardinge. This must be a rebuilt machine because that's serial number 219202. Haven't looked it up, but I would think that makes it probably in the 80s, but looking at this machine, the machine looks barely used. I mean, you can see all the scraper marks in the surface of the table. No tool marks in the table. Both sides. The knee, we got light here, so it's making it a little bright. The knee is perfect on both sides. Someone added these nice, very bright, probably halogen lights to both sides. I better shut them off. It's making it a little too bright to see things. They're the scraper marks. Nice Acurite digital readout, late model. They put the round handle for the down feed. Currently wired high voltage, but you can rewire it to low voltage. But it is set up with a start-stop switch with a contactor. I guess you got an E-stop on the front. Paint on the machine is excellent. Nice 8F Bridgeport Powerfeed. Mitutoyo digital scale on the down, and that works fine. On the back they put a panel with disconnect, a transformer, a contactor, and some outlets. Like I said, it's wired high voltage. If you wire it to low voltage, probably have to change the transformer. Yeah, you'd have to change the transformer, because I don't think that's a dual voltage transformer. But like I said, the paint on the machine is excellent. The table of the machine is excellent. The knee is excellent. Has a real nice, there's a D688 Kurt Vise on it. Brake works well. Low speed. Down feed works, it's just not staying engaged. It's either dry oil or some chips in it, but we'll open that up and figure out what's hanging it up. Get it at higher speeds so you can see that working. It's engaged. There's your down feed. So it's just a matter of cleaning out the detents, and that should stay engaged. Table feed. Real nice clean Bridgeport. Came in with the rubber weight covers, front and rear. The one-shot oiler is excellent. Paint on the base is excellent. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.